Hey y'all, Crystal and Tara.
Hello,
back
hello.
again. Crack your sides, read some more. Alright, this is our final product. After we've done all the steps we showed you. Now, see the little stars? They're all lit up. Now, I only put it on one side, but I think it would be look a lot prettier with them on both sides. Now, I just set the flowers in the center. You can use any kind of center you want. I just set them in there. And then here's the other side. You just put flowers in. See, this side doesn't have the lights. You can see it a little bit, but not as bright, so you would want to get the lights. And see? Both sides. And these will swing. And you just cut the handle off if you want it off. And then put your fishing line, your swivel on there. And there you got it. Isn't that sharp?
That is pretty.
I really like it. All the metal glitter in the mesh stands out with the lights on it. It just makes it glitter and glam. And you can do them both the same side, the way you like it, or you can change the sides. Like this one is different from the other side. They're not exactly the same. So, good luck, guys, and I hope y'all have fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.
Bye-bye.